Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to unlock characters on Mortal Kombat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, open it. Next, you have to click on Store. Then click on Characters. Here you can see different characters with different price tag. According to your budget, you can unlock any of them. For instance, I am unlocking this. Now you have to click on buy. It might take you few seconds to few minutes. Now the character is added to the collection. So this is how you unlock characters in Mortal Kombat. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.